Hello Year 3. Today we're going to have a look at adding and subtracting mass. So it's very similar to how we normally do it. So if I want to have a go at adding and subtracting 3 kilograms and 100 grams and 4 kilograms and 220 grams. Okay, so if this is what I've got and I want to add these together, okay, so I've got 3 kilograms and 100 grams. I've weighed that out of flour, and I want to add 4 kilograms and 220 grams of another flour, because I'm mixing them up. Then I would need to add them up to find out how much I need all together. So one way I can do that is to use part-whole models. Now, in order to fit all of this in, because if I do this, it all goes a bit dark and funny, okay? So I'm going to move this face down, okay? And then I can draw on this and you can see without the screen going really dark, hopefully, okay? So we're going to try that today and see if it will let me do it. No, it still goes quite a bit funny, but we'll go with it. So what I would do to solve this is I would draw 2 part-whole models. So there's one. Okay, and then I'm going to draw another one. And what these are for is one is going to be to add the grams and one is going to be to add the kilograms. So if I use this one for the kilograms, so 3 kilograms, add 4 kilograms. I do apologise, my letters or numbers are a bit funny. I am writing sideways. 3 kilograms, add 4 kilograms is 4, 5, 6, 7 kilograms. Okay. And then I'm going to add the grams. Okay, so I've got 100 grams, 100 grams, add 220 grams, 220 grams. 220 add 100 is 320 grams. So my answer altogether equals 7 kilograms and 320 grams. Okay, so I can do it like that. I can also use this method for subtraction. Okay, so if I just rub these numbers out, so if I have got 8 kilograms and 360 grams. I'm not going to write it here this time because these two make that. And if I look at this, I've got 8 kilograms to start with, 2 kilograms, and I want to know what this part is. So if I've got this, I've got 8 kilograms altogether. I want to take away 2 and find out what is left. So that means that with the subtraction, I put the greater number in this one. So 8 kilograms. And then 360 grams is also the greater number. I then have into these 8 kilograms subtract 2 kilograms Okay, 2 kilograms and 360 and 130 grams. So that means 8 kilograms subtract 2 kilograms would be 6 kilograms. 360 take away 130. 0 with the 1. 6 tens take away 3 tens is 3 tens. 300 take away 100 is 200. And 230 grams. Okay. Now we're just going to have a go at making this slightly different. So if I just had this one here changed a little bit, so that this one, the number of grams here, 290 grams. If I had this over here, okay, so this bit's the same. I've not changed the kilograms and I've not changed this number of grams here. If I've just changed this one, so this is now 290 grams. This is much harder to do in our heads because I can't take 9 tens away from 6 tens. Counting in tens, 209, add the 60, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It would be 70 grams. The answer would be 6 kilograms and 70 grams. So you might be able to do it that way. 6 kilograms, 70 grams. Okay, you may still be able to do it in your head. It might be that you find that really, really tricky in your head. So add and subtract mass using column method. You just have to be really, really careful with your columns. So I'm going to write it over here as column method to show you that. So I have 8, pen's running out, isn't it? Let's try another pen. Here we go. So 8 kilograms. Okay, 8 kilograms, 360 grams. Subtract, take away, minus 2 kilograms, making sure I'm lining those columns up, and 290 grams. 290 grams. Again, ones, tens, 100 grams. Then get a ruler. I'm going to pretend this whiteboard is a ruler and very carefully draw my equals here. Now, before I work anything out, so grams, I've lined the G up with my other G's, and my kilogram, I'm going to line up with the kilograms I have written here. Remember, 1 digit per square. And just like normal, we start over here. So let's use another colour so you can easily see what I am doing. So 0, take away 0, 0. 6 take away 9, can't do that. So I need to borrow from here to get some more tens of grams. So if I take one from here, I've got 2 left and have 16 tens. 16, take away 9, 7. And 200, take away 200 is 0. Okay, moving on to the kilograms. 8 kilograms, take away 2 kilograms is 6 kilograms. 6 kilograms, 70 grams, and I don't need that 0. You can write it if you wish to, but that still says 70 grams without it, so I don't need it. Okay. So have a go at today's learning. I do want you to try the part-whole models first, and if you find that really tricky, then use column method. Okay, but do try the part-whole models and doing it in your head first. Okay, and if you get stuck, you can always email me.